On the left bottom, you can find the dashboard icon. Please tap on it. You can find various information like activity and steps, your sleep habits, your heart rate in BPM, meaning beats per minute, and breaths per minute, the weather and your workout. Also, you can find your last known location. So for example, now, if you go to steps, tap on it, and you can find more in-depth information, like the number of steps versus time, and the percentage of goal reached, the distance in kilometers or in miles, calories, active minutes and workouts. Just below, you can find the trends. That means, for example, within 1 week you can see how many steps you did per day. Average steps, average distance, and calories along the week. If you go back to the dashboard and we go down a little bit, you can see I had a terrible night and slept 5 hours and 5 minutes. And if you tap on it here also, you have a very nice in-depth information. My sleep goal that is set previously is 7 hours of sleep. I reached only 5 hours and 5 minutes, and I was 55 minutes awake. You can also find REM sleep, light sleep, etc. And even here, if you tap on deep, for example, it will explain what your deep sleep stands for. Whenever you need more information, you can always find it by tapping on these indications. Like on your activity dashboard, here you can also find trends. So over 1 week, you can find the trends of average duration of sleep, average schedule, and the percentage of reach performance of your sleep habits. Even if you want to have a view on your previous records, you can find them here on the top of the page. You can push Today and then select the day you wish to view. Now we go back to the dashboard, and if we go down a little bit, we there have the heart rate monitoring dashboard. So actually, each time you have 2 choices. Either you tap on the graph and you see more information like we showed you in the other features, or if you go to the lower and bottom of your application, you can also directly choose heart rate, for example, the small icon with the heart, or one of the other icons. So here as well, you can have in-depth information like the maximum beats per minute, fat burn, endurance, etc. If you tap on the heart rate, for example, then you have more information, warm-up, rest, habits. Here also you have the trends which indicate the week on average heart rate, maximum heart rate and resting heart rate. Also a very nice feature is to benchmark your results. For example, if you tap on activity, now tap on benchmark, and then you can see actually those red squares everywhere. Now you're comparing yourself with the people of the same gender and age.